we return now to the last three categories. So now we're moving into one, as you know, is like all the categories is very important. Another new one for us. This time we've been asking for initiatives concerning diversity. So if we could have the nominations, please. So as you can see, nominations: Hitachi Vantara, Medtronic, Bureau van Dijk, Auditor Cash, ABInBev, and Celanese. And our last winner is of this category, please. ABInBev, come on down.
They made me do it. So as the only woman here, you're supposed to clap right now, guys. I would like to thank my company, ABInBev. Clapping right now, guys. Come on. Nice. Okay. Come on. Just look at the people. I think this is the amazing combination of a little bit of everything. Guys, you are amazing. I think I'm really, really proud to speak for you, right? A lot of diversity. A lot of diversity here, yeah, definitely, especially me. Thank you.